Alright, so here we have a free-for-all. Another thing that you'll notice when teams are eliminated, all their territory gets marked as neutral, so that it clears it out to make it easier to capture for the other teams, which is very cool. We'll just head over here. So, as you can see in free-for-all, whenever I encounter an enemy area, there we go. Everybody shows up as red for me. And this is important for free-for-all because we don't want people to know who the weak player is on the map so that they can specifically bully them and take their territory. We'll just head over here and blow ourselves up so that we can just watch how the game is progressing. This is especially exciting for free-for-all, and actually one of the most important reasons. There was two important reasons why the growth rate had to be exponential for the needed threshold. Oh, and as you can see, we are pretty far into the game, and the needed threshold is actually pretty dang low. That's important because of two reasons. One, the AI needs time to decide to expand naturally. It might be calibrated differently in the future, but this works well with the current AI arrangements. The second reason why it has to be exponential is so that the majority of players end up surviving until the very end, or at least close to it. Um, it kind of sucks and feels bad, I think, for players to die at, say, the 6-minute mark or at the 10 or 12-minute mark and then have to sit around and wait the remaining match duration until everyone else dies. I remember this was a pretty big problem in other victory conditions in free-for-all, that it was just difficult to bring things to an end and people would just bail when they lost. So anyway, let's speed this up and see how she goes. So an ally team just died, and now what we're seeing is that the needed threshold is frozen for 60 seconds, after which it'll start climbing at a faster rate because now there's fewer teams that are out there, and so a slightly larger max threshold to be equally distributed will happen. Looks like somebody got eliminated because they didn't have enough territory. And another one got eliminated. So, what's actually happening here is that we're teleporting the commander away as if they retreated, and then all their stuff blows up. That's how the victory condition happens. So you have to protect your commander, and you have to protect your territory. I think that's more fun, because otherwise, what's the problem with just suiciding your commander into some risky venture? It's a valuable unit, but not as valuable as losing the game potentially, I'd say. Looks like these two guys had the same amount of territory. They got wiped out. Timer frozen again. Another one eliminated. We're getting close to the end here. Who's it gonna be? I'm thinking that green is probably going to get ixnayed. And there we go. Purple is the victor. Hot to dugga.